All right, team, let's do it.
Precision, rankings, design, excitement. All part of the winning formula in the fight to become Band of the Year.
We're coming to win, cause runner-up is not an option. We keep it moving cause it ain't no stopping. Let the games begin.
Championship should be decided on the field.
Make some noise!
There'll be some high step in here.
If you haven't seen him before, you're in for a treat.
Ladies and gentlemen, behold!
This fall, halftime shows take on a whole new meaning as HBCU bands throughout the country battle for an opportunity to showcase their excellence at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta.
We're coming to win, cause runner-up is not an option. We keep it moving cause it ain't no stopping.
Each week, bands will be ranked based on top performances, accuracy, and swagger. Bands will be judged on showmanship, musicianship, and technique by the toughest judges in the world of college bands. 4 bands, top 2 from the Divisions 1 and 2, will earn the right to face off in Atlanta, where a national championship will be crowned. The Band of the Year, presented by ESPN Events.